Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that I talked about uh, maybe a month and a half ago, we had a little tech news item about Google that has settled for a lawsuit that was actually going through, which mentioned that Google was, without telling us, taking all sorts of tracking and information from Incognito mode, which is the mode where you can technically go and surf the web in a mode where it doesn't keep the tracks on your PC of what you did, so you can, go see whatever you want to see, and nobody will know, except Google. It seems that it wasn't clear, so now they've kind of updated their info here about what incognito mode takes or doesn't take. Now it says here Chrome won't save. Your activity might still be visible too. And there's a new thing here called third-party cookies are blocked. Now Google and some of the documentation apparently is going to go further than what asked. They're going to actually be removing data collected from the incognito mode. So they are going to take data, but there will be a way that they will actually take that data off and erase it from the servers. So they might be going even a little further than what was asked, because what was asked is mostly just be fair at what you collect as data. That's all. That's all that they're asking, is actually that Google tells you what is being tracked. So that would be going a little further, meaning you could still be tracked, but they're going to erase that data when you're in incognito mode. So it's going to be interesting to see where Google will position itself in there. It's been under fire a lot for the amount of data being, scooped up. So hopefully this might be a better way to minimize, we'll call it like that, minimize the amount of tracking done. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.